Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to find more peer-reviewed papers for your research paper. Instead of going to the library website or regular Google, there's a website called Google Scholar. This is what it looks like. You just type in what you want. What I did was techno-reference with child development. And what you can do is you can change it and sort it by either date or relevance. I'm going to do since 2018, and you can include patents and citations, and if you want to take those out you can. And oh, I really like that, but I need to download it for free. Perfect, since 2017. And when I want that, I'm going to download it, and it's downloaded right into my thing, and there you have it.